Ferrari has unveiled the new Amalfi, a front mid-engine V8 2 Plus coupe that replaces the Roma in its lineup. This latest model reimagines modern sportiness by blending performance, versatility, and refined design. Built for drivers who crave excitement without sacrificing comfort or style, the Amalfi strikes a rare balance between raw adrenaline and everyday practicality. Its design follows a sleek, minimalist philosophy, clean surfaces and sculpted volumes that convey speed and sophistication. Up front, a large air intake and elongated bonnet frame the powerful 640 CV twin-turbo V8 engine. At the rear, an integrated active spoiler boosts high-speed stability, while forged wheels and carbon fiber accents complete its aggressive, polished look. Inside, the cabin features a dual-cockpit layout. A redesigned steering wheel with physical buttons brings back the iconic start button, while a central display and ergonomic controls keep everything intuitive, even under spirited driving. Carbon fiber trim and contrast stitching add exclusivity, and the 2 Plus configuration means the rear seats can flex between passenger use and extra cargo space, making longer trips easier, kids included. The heart of the Amalfi is a twin-turbo V8 evolved from Ferrari's award-winning F154 engine family. With new turbo calibration, it pushes 640 CV through a slick 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. It hits 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds, 0 to 200 km per hour in 9.0 seconds, and boasts a best-in-class power-to-weight ratio of 2.29 kg/HP. Handling is razor-sharp, thanks to a brake-by-wire system, an ABS Evo controller optimized for any surface, and a recalibrated steering box for pinpoint response. Active aerodynamics, particularly the adaptive rear wing, ensure grip and stability across all Manettino drive modes. Technology-wise, the Amalfi is loaded. Standard features include full smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone charging, a digital cluster, and a 10.25-inch central touchscreen. An available front lift system raises the car by 40 mm up to 35 km per hour, ideal for navigating speed bumps and urban streets. For audiophiles, the optional Burmester premium sound system brings immersive audio to every drive. The Ferrari Amalfi is made for those who want elegance and emotion, power and poise. It captures Ferrari's sporting DNA in a fresh, refined form, delivering an uncompromising drive, wherever the road leads. The Ferrari Amalfi's engine is the latest evolution of the 3,855cc twin-turbo V8 from the acclaimed F154 family, one of the most awarded engines in modern automotive history. In this setup, it delivers 640 CV at 7,500 revolutions per minute, with a specific output of 166 CV/L, and a raised redline of 7,600 revolutions per minute, maximizing the full, rising power curve. Ferrari also focused heavily on sound. A new silencer system meets strict noise regulations without dulling the brand's unmistakable tone. The flat plane crankshaft and equal-length exhaust headers create a signature firing order, while the exhaust system uses a ceramic matrix catalyst with a trimetallic coating, rhodium, platinum, palladium, that activates faster due to reduced thermal inertia. A new, proportionally controlled bypass valve, tuned with custom maps, adjusts the exhaust node based on driving conditions. The Amalfi redefines the classic 2 Plus coupe berlinetta with a front mid-mounted V8, fusing Ferrari heritage with innovation. The design, led by Flavio Manzoni and the Ferrari Styling Center, builds on the Roma's elegant proportions, sculpting a bolder, more modern form while staying true to Ferrari's design roots. Its exterior is shaped from a single, flowing speed form, giving it a dynamic and powerful presence. Clean lines and geometric volumes define a cohesive, sculpted body. Along the sides, a wedge-shaped profile and integrated lighting enhance its refined, contemporary character. The front skips the traditional grille in favor of a floating body-colored wing set above a recessed black band that subtly houses sensors and headlights. A sharp lower splitter adds visual width and underscores its performance focus. At the rear, a pronounced character line wraps around to a tight, clean tail. The taillights are hidden in precise cuts, referencing classic Ferrari styling in a modern context. A wide functional diffuser makes the aerodynamic purpose clear, while the rear glass seamlessly blends into the spoiler, creating a bold signature. Capping it off, the launch color, Verde Costiera, a vibrant teal green inspired by the sea along the Amalfi coast, accentuates the car's sculpted lines and adds a fresh, standout finish. Inside the Ferrari Amalfi, a dual cockpit layout wraps both driver and passenger in distinct yet visually connected spaces. The dashboard, door panels, and central tunnel tie the two zones together, while a faceted central surface disrupts symmetry to emphasize the touchscreen and create a sense of dynamic interaction between occupants. The interior is streamlined for a clean, modern look, using premium materials and seamlessly integrated tech. For the first time, the dashboard adopts a monolithic design that merges the instrument cluster and air vents into a single cohesive block. The central tunnel, milled from solid anodized aluminum, is suspended and sculpted, housing the gear selector, key slot, wireless charging pad, and secondary controls. Door grips are built into sail-like forms that define the front seats, and perforated aluminum hides the woofers, adding a technical, high-end feel. The color scheme reinforces the car's bold personality, with combinations that highlight its sporty intent. The launch interior features Verde Bellagio, a vivid green that draws focus to the front of the cabin. Optional comfort seats come in 3 sizes and include 10 air chambers for massage, offering 5 modes and 3 intensity levels, as well as ventilation for both the seat base and backrest. To complete the experience, the optional Burmester premium audio system delivers top-tier sound through 14 speakers and 1,200 watts of power. Ring radiator tweeters produce crisp highs, while 3 listening modes let users tailor the sound. Every detail, from the speaker materials to their finish, is designed for both elegance and tactile quality, turning the cabin into a refined, immersive space. Tire selection for the Ferrari Amalfi was carefully calibrated to strike a balance between design, performance, and comfort. The 20-inch wheels were chosen to preserve the car's elegant proportions while maintaining ride quality. To enhance comfort, Ferrari retained the same sidewall aspect ratio used on the Roma, delivering a smooth, progressive response and effective damping over road imperfections. Tire sizes are 245/35 R20 at the front and 285/35 R20 at the rear, optimizing agility, grip, and driving precision. The Amalfi comes standard with tires developed in collaboration with Bridgestone, Potenza Sport, and Pirelli, P0, ensuring top-tier performance. Ferrari also backs the Amalfi with its industry-leading 7-year genuine maintenance program, which debuted with the 12-cylinder Spider and is now available across the full Ferrari lineup, including for pre-owned models. This program covers all regular maintenance for the first 7 years, giving owners confidence that their vehicle remains in peak condition year after year. Maintenance is carried out annually or every 20,000 kilometers, with no mileage cap. Services include the use of original parts and inspections by technicians trained at Ferrari's Maranello Training Center, using state-of-the-art diagnostic tools. Available globally through Ferrari's official dealership network, the Genuine Maintenance Program ensures long-term performance and safety. This initiative is part of Ferrari's broader commitment to after-sales excellence, supporting owners who want to preserve the performance, craftsmanship, and value that define every Ferrari built in Maranello.